Hello, great children. Children, welcome back to our social science video. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter. Do you know what is the name of the chapter? We are going to start today with chapter number 13, Minerals and Industries. And children, this is the first video of our chapter. So, do you know what are there in this chapter? Let's see what are the things we going to learn today in this video. Today we will see minerals found in India, which are the different types of minerals present in India that we will see today. Then we will see types of minerals. What are the types of minerals? Do you know about it? We will see that today. Okay. Then we will see some metallic and non-metallic minerals. Okay. So let's start with the first topic, minerals found in India. Children, all the things around us are made up of different kinds of materials, right? Suppose we are having fan that is made up of metal, non-metal. Then we are wearing any ornaments. Your mom is wearing any ornaments that is made up of gold, diamond, right? So what are these things? These are the different types of materials. You're using compass box, that can be the of leather, or that can be of wood, or that can be of plastic. That is also a type of material. Many of these materials are obtained from rocks which are present above the surface of earth as well as under it. Means what? That there are many materials which are obtained from rocks. Rocks means big stones, and so from this big stones many of the materials are obtained. And it can also happen that some of these materials are obtained below the earth, and some are obtained from the surface of the earth itself, means above the earth itself. So let's see about it. Rocks are made up of different types of minerals. Means not every stone is made up of different types of minerals, but there are some precious rocks which are made up of different types of minerals. Likewise, minerals are naturally occurring substances that are found on or within the earth's surface. Means this is the definition of minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substance. Now as we know that minerals are obtained from rocks. Okay. So is the rocks man made? Do human beings made the rocks? No, it is naturally occurring substance, and rocks can be below the surface of the earth also. It can be above the surface of the earth also. So wise, minerals can also be below the surface of the earth and above the surface of the earth. Some minerals are also found deep under the sea. Can you see in this image? There are many minerals which are found deep under the sea. Means like pearl, moti hote na? Pearl that is found deep under the sea. So minerals are first, we have seen that minerals are naturally occurring substance. It is made up of different types of rocks, and it can be obtained under the sea, and deep under the sea. It can be obtained from underground, under the surface of the earth, or above the surface of the earth, right? So this is about minerals. Now, do you know, children, minerals are dug out from the ground. If minerals are deep below the under the earth, then we have to dug the ground, right? Deep hole. We have to make deep, big hole. So it has to be dug out, and then only we can find out the minerals. So these deep holes, now, which we make to dig out the minerals, that is called mines. What known as mines. So, deep holes called mines are made on Earth's surface to dig out the minerals. And whole this process is called mining. Can you see in this image how this ground is going to be dug out of tractor with the help of crane, and this they make the big holes, and from that minerals are taken out. So this process of digging the holes and taking the minerals out is called mining. Now we will see different types of minerals. Now we have dug out the surface of the earth. Okay, we have made the big holes. So what are the things found below the surface of the earth? Let's see. Minerals are children are of two types. How many types of minerals are there? Two types of minerals are there. Metallic, this can be the metallic and non-metallic minerals. Now what is metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are those from which we obtained metals. They are also known as ores. Now try to understand this concept that what is metallic minerals. Minerals from which we can obtain metals. Okay, that is also known as ores. So metallic minerals can also be known as dash, that is also known as ores. Okay, so uh, big rocks are there from which we can get the minerals, and that can be of two types, metallic and not metallic. Metallic minerals are those from which we can obtain metals, and they are also known as ores. Now suppose gold is there. Okay, we are having big stones or big rocks of gold, that is known as a metals or ores, and from which we obtain the gold, that is known as metallic minerals. They are very hard, shiny, and do not break easily. Now take the example of gold. Gold is very hard, right? It is not soft. Is it soft, very soft like cotton? No. It is shiny also. Gold is very shiny, and it also do not break easily. Can you break the gold? No, we cannot. In the same way, diamond. Diamond is also hard, shiny, and it is also not breakable, right? So these are the features, or we can say the characteristics of metallic minerals. Now, what are the examples of metallic minerals? Iron, copper, aluminium, gold, silver, etc. There are many others or metallic minerals also, but these are the few names. Iron, copper, aluminium, gold, silver, these are the examples of metallic minerals. Now, diamond can also be the metallic minerals, right? Okay. Now we will study about non-metallic minerals. What are non-metallic minerals? From which we cannot obtain metals. Simple. Metallic minerals are those from which we can obtain metal, and non-metallic minerals are those from which we cannot obtain metals. So they are not so hard, and they do not shine also, and they are also break easily. We can break it easily. Okay, some are the examples of it is coal, limestone, mica, salt, gypsum, petroleum, and natural gas. These are the examples of non-metallic minerals. Now let's see about coal. Take the example of coal. Can you have you ever seen all have seen coal, right? Can you see that coal are, we can break the coal with our hand also, though that is not breakable, and it is not also shiny, right? It is dull, and it can break easily. It is not that much hard, it is not shiny. So that is the example of non-metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are also known as fossil fuels. Children, coal, petroleum, and natural gas, they are also known as fossil fuels. What do you mean by fossil fuels now? Fossil fuels were formed thousands of years ago from the remains of plants and animals within the earth. Now, some plants and animals which have died, and when we dug them in the ground before the thousands of years ago, from the examples of fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. These are the examples of fossil fuels. Let's see about some of the more examples of metallic and non-metallic minerals. Now see, if you can see this table, how what are the name of the minerals? Iron, copper, aluminium. We have seen that iron, copper, aluminium are the examples of metallic minerals. Now iron is used to make tools, machines, tools, bridges, utensils, buildings, railway engines, and coaches, right? So these are the utensils. Suppose bartan. Utensils means bartan. So that is made up. There are many utensils which are made up of iron also. And where it is found? Odisha, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. See, these are the name of the minerals, what are its uses, and where it is found. Okay, then copper. Copper is again used to make tools, utensils. We have seen copper wires and pipes, right? And where it is found? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Next is aluminium. Now, aluminium is used to make utensils, electric wires, and aeroplanes. Do you know that? That in aeroplanes, aluminiums are also used. Yes. And where it is found? Again, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this was all about these are the types of minerals. There are more. Now, gold. We also know that gold is used to make jewelry, but it is in India, it is found only in one state, that is Karnataka. Okay, so remember, gold is found in dash state. So it is found in Karnataka. Next is petroleum. Do you know what is the use of petroleum? We all know that. Yes, it is used as fuel to run vehicles such as cars, bus, scooters, and trucks. But where it is found? Assam, Maharashtra, and Mumbai High in the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is very big, right? So, near the Mumbai, near Maharashtra, there is a place named as Mumbai High. There, the petroleum is found in India. Then coal. We know that coal is used for cooking, heating, and producing electricity. But where it is found? Jharkhand, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. So these are the places where coals are found. Next is limestone. Children, remember limestone is used for making cement. Okay, it can be asked in fill in the blanks. Dash is used to make cement. So, what you will be writing? Limestone. And where it is found? Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu. And last one is mica. Mica is used in medicines, paint, and radio sets. Yes, so this is a mica. It is found Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Rajasthan. So these are the places where the metal and non-metallic minerals are found, and these are the its uses. Though India is very rich in mineral deposit, we must use our resources wisely in order to conserve them. Children, what it means that we are having so many resources in India, right? But we should not waste it. We should conserve it properly. Mineral resources take thousands of years to form. Children, mineral resources are not formed within one day. Can you imagine coal or petroleum is made up in one day? No, it takes thousands of years to form. As petroleum and coal deposit are present in limited quantity on earth, we should use another resource source of energy such as sun, water, and wind. Like what it means that instead of petroleum we can have its different uses. Then we can use solar energy, we can use wind energy, we can use hydroelectricity energy, right? So these are the made up of natural resources, as we are having petroleum and coal in very limited quantity on earth. So, children, this was all about your today's video, and I hope that you will revise this chapter from students' book also. I know that this was many interesting facts about the minerals of India. In the next video, we will see different types of industries of India. Okay, so till the next students, everyone, bye bye.